is the heart of Aurora's future, where manufacturing meets the Internet of Things and where lighting and technology merge to create value beyond illumination. Welcome to Aurora. Following client consultations, our designers craft custom lighting schemes that address special considerations for different projects and area zones, using carefully selected lighting effects. Our products have been specifically developed to allow for personalization. Powerful design and simulation, as well as rapid 3D prototyping capabilities, enable us to develop a brand new product to meet your requirements. We recently celebrated over 30 years in UK manufacturing and continue to heavily invest in new machinery. This enables us to produce products with a build-to-order approach, eliminating the drama of low stock availability or long lead times. Following rigorous testing, our team carries out installations and focusing to make precise product adjustments that result in the desired effect, a truly personalized experience. Aurora's IoT Center is a new global technology hub and focuses solely on the development of connected IoT lighting solutions tailored to every client's requirements. For each and every project, we offer customer support and aftercare, ensuring a dedicated end-to-end project solution. Aurora, value beyond illumination.